Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome to the next segment on power outage preparedness. So let's talk about heating your home. So as you can see, I have a fireplace. So all I'm going to do is, which I have used, which you can see the remaining ash and whatnot. So I can fire up the fireplace and heat my home. Now if the wind is really going and it's super windy out and it's super, the rain is sideways and it's just nasty weather, I honestly don't see any reason why I couldn't put a little Trangia, with my big knee, and down here on the bricks, or just put the pot inside the stove to either boil or cook my meals. And maybe not the most ideal, but I'm sure I could work it out. Okay, so I already showed this in a previous video, but I almost hate to give away all my tips, but I'll give you one anyway. Pallets. You can go to Craigslist, go to the free section, look up pallets, and I've literally seen dozens, 20s, 30s of free pallets. And if you have a truck like I do, just go by and grab the pick of the litter. So what I do here is pretty simple. I just pick up the wood and I stack the rounds. The last time I got wood, I got rounds, and what I did is the shelves weren't here, but those are easy to move. These 3 pallets, I had them sitting over here because what I'm going to do is at some point when I'm not lazy, I want to turn this into a little workbench, a little pallet table workbench for the back porch here. I just haven't gotten to it because I'm just, I'm always busy at work and I'm kind of lazy. So, and it's not the outdoors. So, at some point I'm going to get to it. But I've stacked wood up on the shelves here, and I've set the rounds all on here. So, plenty of room for firewood rounds, which, if you go to Craigslist, you can get those rounds for free. That's how I got all my firewood, which I'll show you right now. Alright, so there's my woodshed. So like I said, all this firewood down here was free. What I did is I got in here and I built the shelves. So I built all these shelves myself, which is why they're kind of shoddy, but it's only holding firewood. It's not like I had to win nuts. I moved all my belongings up. So I got shelves going across, I got a lantern up here, got my coolers in here, some of my woodworking tools in here. I'm no carpenter, but I got a few things. I got a cooler up in here. I also went to Costco and I bought a box of Duraflame logs just to kind of supplement the wood. And I got, and you've seen me burning this. Like a lot of times when I bring wood from home, this is the stuff I'm using. And it's all nice and dry and it's been in here. I've actually had this stuff in here for 2 years. Yeah, I don't run the fireplace very often. But what I'll probably end up doing is I'll go to Craigslist, I'll get another load of wood, I'll pull all this out, sweep it all out and clean it and get rid of all the cobwebs, restock all the dry up here, and then put the new stuff on this other side. But quite honestly, it's already January. I mean, this would probably last me another year. And it was all free other than the gas going to go get it. And I just went and bought a hammer a maul to split it. And a big ass Fisker's splitting axe. So I just went and got the splitting axe. You know, really a one-time purchase, just so I can split my firewood. And that was it. Really not that difficult. Just go and get free stuff. So one of the biggest tools that really helped me with the firewood is the Gorilla Cart, which I bought on Craigslist for 35 bucks. I just went, I was looking for, I was going to get a wheelbarrow, but they were kind of limited. But this has just been great because it'll hold, like, I'll roll in some photographs. I've had this thing loaded 3-4 big rounds of firewood, and I'll just wheel it around the back of the condo so I don't have to carry them all. It's a lot less work. I've been, you know, I've swept out here because we got a lot of pine needles on the ground. I've come out here and, you know, did a little bit of yard cleanup. Just throw it in the back of the wagon, wheel it away. Piece of cake. 35 bucks. Well worth the money, and it's been a... So the truck here is another tool that I use to get my firewood. And I mentioned before this truck was free. It was given me by a friend who was hauling it off to the dump or the wrecking yard because it needed a clutch. And because of some luck, some friends who knew people who could do things that I can't, 600 bucks, he threw in a clutch for me. And, you know, I got some of that very same firewood rolling around in the back. So, dirt time, firewood. So, got other stuff in there too. Alright, so as always, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you want to do video response, let me know, and link it below. If it gets flagged as spam, I'll be sure to click approve and get it up there for you. As always, I already thanked you, but I thank you again, and I'll catch you in the next video. What am I going to do next? I'm either going to do food or water next, but food will be its own video, water will be its own video. So food or water.